First step, clean the fingertip to be pricked with an alcohol swab for disinfection. Second step, dry the alcohol on the fingertip before pricking. Third step, twist and pull out the safety pin from the lancet. Fourth step, position and press the lancet firmly against the puncture site on your fingertip. Fifth step, collect the blood sample with capillary tube and fill the blood completely into the capillary tube. Sixth step, open the cap of developing solution bottle and put the capillary tube into the bottle. Close the cap. Seventh step, gently invert the bottle 15 to 20 times. Now you can see the light red color from the mixed solution. Take out a test cassette from a sealed pouch. Place the test cassette on a flat surface. Twist off the tip of the bottle cap. Squeeze the bottle and put 4 drops slowly into a sample well on the cassette. Wait for 20 minutes after the sample is loaded. After 20 minutes, lines will appear in the middle part of the cassette. Compare this result to the chart provided and find a pattern in the chart that is identical to your result. Corresponding immunoglobulin G antibody level can be found right below the pattern in the chart. This way, you can check your immune level with ImmuneCheck IgG. ImmuneCheck IgG is approved by KFDA and other international institutions. ImmuneCheck IgG, the world's first point-of-care testing for blood antibody IgG level. Check your immune health visually.